Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Serena and I'm the owner and creator of Carter Custom. Today I'm just going to give you a super quick walkthrough of the Personal Progress Habit Tracker. To get started, go up to File, make a blank copy so you always have a blank to refer back to in case anything happens to the one that you're working on. To set your date, you'll double click on the date and a dynamic calendar will pop down and you can choose any day and your calendar will automatically update. It does not need to be on the first of the month. Then you'll want to enter some habits that you want to work on. You can enter a max of 15 and you will see how many you entered added up right here. Then each day as you complete your tasks, you can go through and check those off and you will see your progress along the side. You will also see your monthly progress along the bottom. You can also enter some notes here. Now if you'd like to clear your chart quickly, highlight over any cells that have checkboxes and click the spacebar until it's all clear. If you click a checkbox that has no text in it, it will highlight red just to let you know that there's something going on. It's optimized for use on your mobile device, so you can save it as an app or widget on your phone and open it up really quick and easy to be able to keep track of your habits. I hope that this was helpful and good luck on your personal progress. Thanks for watching.